तो बच्चों पढ़ते हैं फोर्स on charge in a uniform electric field. Now whenever you put a charged particle in a uniform electric field, it will experience a force. Okay, in fact it is given in chapter 4. Okay, Lorentz force mein aata hai ye sab. Okay, so if I have only the electric field, so I will call this as Lorentz electric field. In detail you will study in chapter 4. Anyways, so how much will be the force? Then the force is equal to EQ. Please remember, the force experienced by a charged particle in a uniform electric field is equal to F is equal to EQ. Okay. Now see, it means that, so there are two charges. So if I have a positive charge, okay, and now I'm putting this in this uniform electric field, now it will experience a force. Okay, this will experience a force equal to E, I mean this is Q, E, I am just writing the magnitude, this is plus Q, okay, plus Q, and in which direction it will experience a force in the direction of electric field. It means that, please remember this, for positive charge the direction of force is along the direction of electric field. So whenever you put the positive charge in uniform electric field, that charge will move in the direction of electric field like this. Okay, now you put negative charge here, negative Q, then what will happen? This will move in linear direction opposite to this. F is equal to QE. Now again I am not writing here plus Q minus Q because I am calculating the force. In force I don't need to write the positive and negative sign, but you can write, but if you write then the things will become very complicated. That is why. So for negative charge, if you put in the electric field, for what? For negative charge, okay, the direction of force is opposite to electric field. Okay, so for if you put a negative charge in electric field, it will move in opposite direction, backward. If you put in positive charge in uniform electric field, it will move in the direction of electric field. So this concept we are going to use, okay, in coming lecture. Okay, so thank you.